ang tagumpay. Syukran. I know, right? Braille. 3 questions, no follow-up. Okay. Oh. Ay, ayoko na. I'm okay.
In the list of those who sign, ma'am,
Oo.
marami doon, mga inaanak, mga kumpay, mga nagsusuporto sa inyo.
What's the reaction?
Sabi kasi, hindi, ito lang daw basahin ko. We've already started preparing the moment Franz Castro announced the impeachment plans, which was November of 2023. So November of 2023, there were already lawyers doing their work for the impeachment. So we leave it to the lawyers.
Last question.
Wala pa tayo doon, ma'am. Na masyado pang malayo yung mga ganyan na mga bagay. Nandun pa lang tayo sa pagbabasa ng actually, ma'am, wala pa tayo doon dahil yung mga abogado lang yung nagtatrabaho. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong ginagawa nila. But I have a meeting with them.
Last question, please.
The president said he has nothing to do with the impeachment.
I do not want to answer that question. Next.
Confirm po ba na si dating Pangulong Duterte isa sa mga abogado niyo para sa impeachment?
I do not want to answer that question. Yes, ma'am.
Nakikita niyo po ba na may ihahalin tulad ng sitwasyon ng bansa sa 1984 ni George Orwell?
I do not want to answer that question. Last.
Last question.
Paniwala ko lang, no, if you have to explain or defend your signature in a yes petition for impeachment, then you feel that you have done something wrong. Kasi kung wala ka namang ginawang mali, bakit mo i-defend yung pirma mo?
Thank
So
you.
yun yung paniwala ko.
Ma'am, naniniwala po ba kayo na may gumalaw po for the impeachment? May gumalaw po na parang money po.
I do not want to answer that question. Yes.
Endorsing senators, lalo na po sa PDP slates, especially that may possibility na mag-kaya sa next month.
Hindi pa namin napapag-usapan kung ano yung gagawin ko for the upcoming campaign and election. Pero nasabi ko na noon na patuloy yung trabaho namin, and isa sa mga trabaho namin ay gusto namin tumulong sa Commission on Elections in voter education, particularly yung wag mo ibenta yung boto mo, wag gumamit ng dahas during campaign and election day, yung mga ganon.
Ma'am, payo niyo lang po sa ating mga kababayan sa nangyayari po ngayon sa ating bansa.
Yes, sabi ko nga kanina sa statement ko sa ating mga kababayan na patuloy na sumusuporta, nagmamahal, nagdarasal, napakahalaga nun, ay manalig lang sila dahil sa taong bayan ang tagumpay. Nganong naakadiri sa Manila na taga Davao man ka?
Thank you, OVP Media.
Yes, sir.
Right now, after i-transmit sa Senate, kung na po yung preparation, when you go to
Well, may meeting kami mamayang hapon dahil nag-meeting sila kahapon. Hindi ako sumali. So, merong briefing, legal briefing mamaya ang mga lawyers. So, I will know more this afternoon. Pakikita nyo na yan pagpasok nila ng kanilang entry of appearance.
Actually po ang trabaho kahit may pinagkakandaan po kayo.
Yes sir, opo. Kakatapos lang po ng planning conference ng Office of the Vice President. So we did it last Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday para po sa 2025 and 2026.
So for 2025, may mga maapektuhan pa ng programs ng OBP?
Yes, nag-announce na kami no na wala kaming wala kaming burial and medical assistance dahil tinanggal yung line na yon sa budget eh. So hindi ka na pwede maglagay ng budget doon.
How about the other programs now?
Tutuloy siya.
How
Ang
confident are you that you won't be convicted in the impeachment court?
wala pa tayo masyadong pang malayo 'yan, ma'am. Wala pa tayo hindi pa natin inaano 'yan.
Final question,
Na-assess
please.
ngayon.
Final question.
Number one for
Nagtanong ka na ba? Kanina. O sige, ikaw.
Final question, Lance.
You said before na you're seriously considering to run for 2028. Now na may impeachment na, are you more decided to run in 2028?
Okay. So, wala pa tayo dyan. Wala pa tayo dyan. But, nasabi ko naman di ba, paulit-ulit kung we are seriously considering that. But it's difficult to decide without numbers. So, kailangan malaman yung surveys and numbers. Sa next year pa yun. Oo.
Pero
Hindi ko naman
sa
wanted
tingin
to-
niyo ba, ma'am,
Sir, nagtanong ka na? Sir.
Kyoto News, Ron.
Are you concerned na yung possible consequence that you can be disqualified from public office kung magkaroon na ng conviction?
Yes, sir. Oo. Alam ko po yung penalties ng impeachment. And the moment na nag-resign ako sa Department of Education, before ako nag-resign sa Department of Education, pinag-isipan ko na lahat yan.
Ma'am, sa ngayon ba, masasabi ninyo na lalo pa kayong nainganyo na ituloy ang pagtakbo sa 2020 presidential election?
Nasagot ko na ata yung kanina sa question ni Sir na nakaitim. Sir.
Number one in the articles of impeachment was your assassination threat to the president. Do you regret making that statement?
I did not make an assassination threat to the president. Sila lang nagsasabi niyan. Sila lang nagsasabi may assassination. Sila nagsasabi may assassin, may gunman.
Next po, GDB.
Not say that.
Sola.
Ano po kayo, confident kayo sa numbers account and having hindi kayo confident? Nagkatotoo nga. Ngayon sa Senate, you said na parang meron kayong confidence sa mga senador. So, ngayon, how do you feel about that? Do you still feel confident with the numbers in the Senate?
Sandali, mama. Kailan ko sinabi yun, may confidence ako sa numbers sa Senate?
Let's sit down. Yung
Ano exact na sinabi ko? Sorry I cannot remember the exact words that I used.
Parang medyo confident kayo with regards sa Senate, sa mga friends and allies.
Unlikely ako magsasabi ng ganyan ba. Pero I will answer that next time.
Sa Senate. Supposedly, you received nila yung impeachment complaint the other day, pero nag-close sila kagad because of the last session.
Well, that is their prerogative as a body, no? So, we have to respect the Senate kung ano yung desisyon nila. Dahil sila yung mga nandoon sa loob.
So far, you feel assured about your allies in the Senate?
We haven't talked. I have not talked to my friends in the Senate. Wala.
last question, please.
Yung message mo kay Senator Ivy?
Bakit?
She's going to block daw the impeachment po, ma'am. Sabi daw po niya, she opposed to impeachment daw po.
Bakit kaya? Maybe we should ask. Maybe we should ask her first. Bakit niya i-block yung impeachment?
How do you feel po? Sabi ni BBM, hindi niya supportado yung impeachment, pero number one na, unang-unang pumirma yung anak niya. Consulted actually.
He would consult.
Kasi sabi, ito lang daw basahin ko.
Your father?
Yan, ang daming nagbabantay sa gilid.
Nausap niyo na ba yung father niyo after your impeachment?
Wala pa. But nagpadala ako ng message through sa kanyang assistant and sinabi ko na ano ba sinabi ko? Hindi ko maalala. I think I said everything will be all right Yun ata ang sinabi ko.
What was his reply?
His reply was a song.